Good morning, Las Vegas. Last night we had a sandstorm. Okay, so terrible wind with rain and breakout for a few hours. Okay, no electricity. Luckily, the temperature dropped so dramatically down to that is 78 or something, but it's like at 26, 27 degrees, so it was not hot, which is very good. Then I show you. Ta-da! Now you can see all the dust. All the dust. Okay. But this morning turned out to be a beautiful morning. So beautiful. Wow. Hello everybody. I'm now in Las Vegas at Miss Mercedes' house. Okay, I stay here. Of course, I have my own room. And Mercedes likes antique. They like antique furnitures. So recently she bought a couple of furnitures, it's antique, it's old. And she was cleaning. It's clean, but some places they have some damage. And she said, oh, I don't know how to do it. Then I think, you know what? I am a violin maker. I'm not a furniture maker. I don't know if I can make it look good. So today she's not home, okay? I think someone has a birthday today, she's out. So I will try to work on some of the furnitures, use the method that I make violins, polished violins. If it work, good. If it doesn't work, she's not home. So I'm safe. I have time to correct them. Okay, now I show you how I do it. This is a piece of, anyway, very charming, I don't know, dressing table or something. But if you see here, look old. This place, the color is not nice, okay? And there are some damage like this. Or like this. And here is a table, dinner table. Okay. Then you can easily see a lot of cuts. Okay. All this color. A lot of them. Okay. Now I will use the way I make violins to fix them, to see how it works. And also places like this, and like this, I have to fix them. Okay. If some of you watched my video, scratch on the violin can be made invisible, I will use the same method to see if I can make the furniture, the scratch, invisible. Let's get started. And now Mercedes is up. I cannot do it secretly, but then she will be my film camera lady. So I will try. I use the method of.
Put my hair up.
No, we're going to see you.
I know, but it's more convenient.
Okay.
It's hot here.
Yes. So if I damage your furniture, don't blame me. Okay.
Don't hurt this nice table.
Yes.
I really like this table.
I do my best. I use a kind of liquid, which of course I cannot tell you what it is. It's always the secret. Okay. Now I apply this place and just grab it a little bit. some color with touch up. Let's touch up. And here, touch up a little bit. Okay. And I mentioned here before, film in this place, you have to go from here, the angle from here. And you can see, yes. See, you can hear all these places. I will make them invisible. Okay, see? It's already invisible, okay? Magic. And here, it's white.
Say again, magic.
Magic. Okay, look at here. Look at this. Look at this. That's mark. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to film from here. You see the surface? The white was gone. Okay? Here was gone. Look at this. Can you see? Yes? Then I have to use my pen, touch up, touch up, touch up. And touch up. Okay, now look at this part. Not nice, huh?
Yeah.
This pen doesn't work. Sorry.
Uh-oh. Does it run out?
No.
Just got clogged. Maybe if you wiped the tip. Maybe it got stuff in it. There it goes.
Just a minute, I need to do this. okay. It's not perfect, but it's better.
It's so shiny I can see your reflection in it now,
Mm.
clearly. Really. Oof.
Now I do polish. Okay. This is not the French polish, but the Norwegian polish. Okay? Norwegian polish. Now I'll go back to the ending.
But I have one question.
Yes.
What about the other leaf?
What I want what?
The other leaf against the wall.
Oh, you have another one.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll keep it as it is. To keep it as a piece of memory.
Okay.
You can compare
Yes.
and before and after. How nice. Now you have a very nice antique. I don't know what this is.
Yeah, it's some kind of end table.
Yes.
It's sitting table something. Very nice though.
The color of this. What is this? Now you can see it's nice, shining. Okay. And this table, much better. Okay. Acceptable. Okay. This is not the end. I will do another French polish when I have the material. I will use Sherlock, the spirit, or use some other wax or something. I will do it again, make the surface shining. Here, Daniel and Mercedes-Benz in Las Vegas. Okay. Now we can see a piece of very shining. Okay.
Yeah, I really love this piece.
Okay, good. Very nice. Good. Oh, it's nice looking. Good, 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 good. Which we need a big TV there, which we're going to do it today, because today is somebody's birthday. We're going to buy a big TV for there. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Good.